So through the lens of protection, it's, I think, arguably the most important, um, piece that we kind of bring to the table for our clients. Um, and, we sat down with a good friend of mine from school and we went through the whole process and, got the proper protection in place for him. And then just a couple weeks ago, I got a call that he had a brain tumor, you know, and he's 30 years old, has two kids, a wife. You're not really thinking about that type of stuff. And the first thing he did, when I went up there was he thanked me, and you know, just the importance of getting that protection in place in the event that something were to happen. You never want anything to happen,
Right.
but things happen.
And what I'll tell you is just because I was part of these meetings with you is the protection part of the conversation was percentage wise very small. We talked far more about investments. We talked about his business ventures. We talked about at the time he was changing careers.
Right.
So we talked about a ton of stuff, and just in the mix of it was, hey, we need more life insurance.
Yeah.
Very rare chance that something's going to happen, but you're making a lot of money. You're doing really well. Let's get some coverage in place just to make sure that everything's taken care of just in a what if scenario.